Hi Tala Asia, I'm Daniel Green and I'm cooking up on my 14th cookbook with easy Thai recipes, and I want to show you one that you can make at home. Let me take you on a tour. Come along with me and let me show you how easy it is. It's my 14th cookbook and I am cooking Thai food, the classics, but with a difference. And now, if you want to come down to Anantara Riverside, you can try my menu. It's a healthy wellness menu, and that's available at Mocha Muffins. Love you to join. Why am I back? It's my 14th cookbook, and I am cooking Thai food, the classics, but with a difference. I'm making it easy. It's called Take Home Thailand, so everyone can take a piece of this beautiful place home with them. And the recipes are traditional, but I've just tweaked them a bit. So we're not using things like palm sugar or tamarind paste that might be a bit hard to find in some parts of the world. We're going to use brilliant ingredients and we're going to keep it classic, but I'm going to do a little kind of trade in with maybe brown sugar and maple syrup, and we'll just use those things to make it easy Thai food at home. So let me show you what we're going to do. It is a Thai curry, one of my favorite dishes to make and eat here in Bangkok. Few ingredients, but I remember years ago coming here and having a Thai curry and a roasted pumpkin. So this pumpkin has been roasted. We've got shrimp, we've got some tofu, we've got a little bit of fish sauce, which you have to have in a curry. We've got, instead of maybe a palm sugar, I'm using a brown sugar. We've got some curry paste. We've got a little bit of tea. No, it's not, it's chicken stock. And some coconut milk, of course, and a few vegetables. That's on. We'll get that pan nice and hot, let's hope. And I'm just gonna cut up a little bit of zucchini. We've got some peppers, they're going to go in there as well. And I'm using a wok, which is when I first started cooking over here in Asia, and I was given a wok to do everything. And I was like, really? And I learned pretty quickly that it is a place that you use everything you can cook here like this. I love using a wok. I'm going to just cut up a little bit of zucchini into just 1/4 inch slices. Couple of green beans, not too many, couple of beans, and let's throw those in the wok and just get a little bit of colour, because it's going to take seconds to cook. What do I want to do? I want you to make Thai food at home easily using ingredients that we really get in any grocery store. So you can use any vegetables. Actually, I love eggplant with this, but we're just going to cook this down and use a tiny bit of oil. Not much at all. This should take no longer than a few moments. And then, in my saucepan, I'm going to burn off a little bit of this curry. I'm going to start off with a little bit of oil. I don't need these to get colour, but these are shrimp with the tails on. Those go in. You can do this all in one pan. I'm just doing this to kind of show everyone. A fast track, so we can keep it going quickly. What I am going to do is, as this is taking a little bit of time to heat up there, let's just throw those in there. And these are just little shrimp that you would get pretty much all over the world, rather than those beautiful tiger shrimp that I love so much. But you know what? That's what the book's all about, is trying to get people to make this stuff easy. Okay, let's get some curry paste. You want to burn off some of those flavors, release those oils. You've got lemongrass and shrimp paste and all these beautiful flavors that once you put a little bit in here, it just starts to release. And then you get that aroma and it starts becoming that curry. Don't want to burn it, I just want to get a little bit of that flavor. Coconut milk. And now we've got those beautiful flavors. Break down that curry paste. And I'll bring that to a little bit of a boil. Colour, isn't it beautiful? Takes the heat off of it a little bit. Oh. We've got a beautiful curry paste. Really just amazing. Just a couple of ingredients. This is why I love Thailand. 2 things I'm going to add. We're going to add a little bit of brown sugar, and that's going to give it what every Thai flavour is about. The sweet and the salty and the sour and the spicy and the bitter, all of those elements that make Thai food so beautiful. And for the salty, fish sauce. That's the one ingredient in this book that you do need to get, is fish sauce. It's not difficult, you can find it anywhere, but it is the most important ingredient in Thai food to really give it its fabulous texture of flavours. So now what I'm going to do is turn this off. I'm going to pop it in here, and we've got those vegetables to our curry. Eggplant is one of my favourites. And this pan is just getting nice and hot. And look at that, just bubbling away. We're going to let that really just pull those flavours together. Fresh basil, Thai basil. Now, in the book, I've changed it up so we can use any basil because it's not so easy to find the Thai basil. Show you a quick trick. Basil is a very delicate leaf and it can brown and bruise very easily. So we want to cut it, but you don't want it to go brown. So we take all of these leaves and we wrap it like a cigar, and it keeps it nicely in place. And then with the edge of your knife, we're going to just make these ribbons. Isn't that beautiful? And it keeps the basil in absolute tact. Look at that. So now you've got basil that's just really kind of fresh and aromatic, but it hasn't damaged it. Let's pop that in here. Let's turn that off. And did I tell you it was going to be quick? Yes. It's going to be quick. That is a steaming hot curry. Now, I've got chicken stock. If you wanted to water it down a little bit, it depends if you're using the coconut cream or you're using just a milk. If you're using a coconut cream, you might want to do a little bit more of that. Let's take this over here. I want to take this beautiful curry. Oh, look at that. You know, when I came to Thailand, I'm talking about 20 years ago, I remember I was very lucky. I think I must have used Miles, Thai Airways first class. They served up this little Thai pumpkin and it was full of the most beautiful curry. So since I had that experience, it inspired me forever. And what's fabulous about this is my very first cookbook was made here, and now my 14th is about ready. So thank you for watching Tatler Asia. My goodness, I'm so happy to share this with you, and I hope next time I'm here I can show you the book.